You are now tuned into Flyroy, the trend setter. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.
Clean. All right. Yeah. All right, y'all. We back with another video, man. With the same video. I told y'all I'm gonna keep y'all with me. We're gonna go get them parts. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna go get the parts. So I'm here in Motor Heaven. Guys. Woo. Guess what? They all LS Motors. Yes, sir. All LS Motors. So I'm in the place to be to get a 2500 HD transfer case, man. So if y'all know what I know, man, y'all know the people I know, man, y'all tap in, man. Let's get it, man. I can help a lot of people out, help you with your situation, man. But y'all stay tuned for the rest of the video. I'm waiting for my I'm gonna call him my cousin, my uncle slash cousin slash old school uncle. Come over here, man. He don't even gotta, when you come over here, he don't even gotta look at your transmission. He don't gotta look at none of that, man. It's a couple things he'll look at on your car, and he'll take you right to the part that you need, man, and get you tuned in right. So I'm in LS Heaven, so I gotta find me a 6.0 for the 2500, and he got one over here. This is where he keep the good stuff at. That's where I'm at right now. You know what I'm saying? I just left from the side that was tested, and I also got a chance to do a little work. He allowed me to take the torque converter bolts and help him out with the transmission, man. But we out here getting it. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for the rest of the video, because we're gonna get this here transfer case. We're gonna pick it up. We're gonna go get us a new gasket. We're gonna install it. We're gonna check out the seals and everything on the transfer case. And also, what we're gonna do is we're going to keep the old one, guys. So look, you can go to a lot of different places. You go get a used transmission, a used anything, they always want the cord. So my guy here, he's allowing me to keep my cord. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go ahead and rebuild my cord, and we're gonna make a video about that. I'm gonna go ahead and order the kit. The kit is a little price range, but it comes with everything. It comes with the gears, it comes with the chain, it comes with the seals, it comes with everything. But y'all stay tuned, like, share, subscribe to the video, man. Y'all stay tuned for your boy, man, and let's get it. Yes, sir. It's your boy back with another video. Y'all hear that? Yes, sir. I got my homie with me, man. You know what I'm saying? Actually, he jumped in the car with me, you know what I'm saying, this morning. He just, I guess, wanted to go for a ride. So today, early this morning, I was letting my phone charge, so I did not show the delivery pickup of the new transfer case. So I went ahead and picked it up. We're gonna go through that. We also got a fresh new fluid, you know what I'm saying? We also got a new gasket, you know what I'm saying? And luckily for me, on this transfer case, it looked like somebody just changed the seals on it and everything, so everything looked like up to par as far as that part of the situation, man. We're gonna get this thing bolted up. I'm also gonna walk through it and show you guys some on the back that you guys might want to be aware of yourself. Make sure y'all stay tuned for the rest of the video. I might set it up where you guys sit there and watch me, you know, put it together. But I know sometimes that's boring, or I just might go ahead and shoot it to the end and let y'all see it starting running, wheels moving, and that type of situation. But stay tuned for the rest of the video. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. Make sure y'all drop something in the comments, man. And let's get it. And we are a master of our abilities. Let's get it. Really? Hey, it's your boy, man. We back. End of the video. Got the new transfer case in. Was able to do it before the little drizzle started to happen. And guess what, guys? We got action. So if those of y'all had the same problem that I did and you think your transmission went out, check your transfer case first. Check your fluid. Check all those things, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned for the rest of the video. I mean, stay tuned for all the rest of the videos. And we're going to take this thing for a spin, man, and see what it do, man. And I'm going to let y'all see the bottom of it. Let's get it. Yes, sir. So y'all see it. We got everything all back together. You know what I'm saying? Everything all back together. We're gonna take these jack stands down. But before I do that, I'm gonna fire it up and let y'all see them back tires move. All right. Pull that back in. Let y'all see these back tires move. Yes, sir. Y'all see them tires moving? Let's get it.